You hit 60, and suddenly, tasks you once breezed through feel like a struggle. Your muscles feel softer, weaker, and that overall strength you rely on for independence seems to be slipping away. You've tried diets, maybe even light exercise, but the changes feel slow, almost imperceptible. Deep down, you wonder, why is it so hard to regain strength now? What if I told you there's a simple, powerful trick that doesn't involve heavy lifting or a complete diet overhaul, and it could make a noticeable difference in your strength in just 7 nights? Are you unknowingly missing a crucial component that could rapidly re-energize your muscles? Is your body craving a specific nutrient combination to unlock a quick return of power? What if adding just 1 scoop a day could be the game changer for reclaiming your strength, making you feel more capable and confident in a week? Let's uncover the science-backed secret that helps seniors rapidly regain strength. It might shock you to discover that after age 60, your muscles face a silent, accelerating threat called sarcopenia, which is the progressive loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. What's even more frustrating is that your muscles become less efficient at building new protein, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. Imagine your muscle cells are like construction workers who are harder to motivate and need specific, high-quality materials to work quickly. If they don't get the right signals and building blocks, construction slows, and demolition, muscle breakdown, starts to win, leading to that creeping weakness. The crucial part most seniors miss is that while long-term strategies are vital, there are specific nutritional interventions that can create a more rapid, noticeable shift. The body, when given the precise fuel and the right signals, can respond surprisingly fast, especially in its ability to improve muscle function and reduce inflammation. The problem often isn't lack of effort, but rather a lack of concentrated, bioavailable nutrients that can flood your system quickly and efficiently. We're talking about a strategy that provides both immediate fuel for muscle repair and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds to clear the path for rebuilding, creating a noticeable impact within just 1 week. The profound significance of quickly providing highly bioavailable protein and potent anti-inflammatory compounds to kickstart muscle repair and reduce soreness, particularly to generate rapid improvements in strength perception and functional ability in seniors over 60, is a focus in sports nutrition and aging research. While long-term consistency is always key, studies show that strategic, concentrated nutrient delivery can prime the body for faster results. This isn't just about preventing muscle loss, it's about actively enhancing muscle responsiveness, speeding up recovery, and reducing discomfort, allowing for more effective daily movement and even exercise. It's about giving your body a jumpstart, demonstrating that strength can indeed come back, and fast. Based on extensive scientific research into muscle metabolism, inflammation, and nutrient bioavailability in older adults, there is a powerful scoop strategy that combines specific nutrients to help seniors rapidly regain strength, with noticeable improvements potentially seen in just 7 nights. The scoop that helps seniors regain strength fast is a precise combination of whey protein powder, for rapid, high-quality protein, and turmeric curcumin, for powerful anti-inflammatory action. Here's why this scoop works to bring strength back quickly. Number 1. The Rapid Muscle Rebuilder Whey Protein Powder. Whey protein is derived from milk and is renowned for being one of the most bioavailable and fast-digesting protein sources available. It's packed with all essential amino acids, including a very high concentration of leucine, the primary amino acid that acts as the on switch for muscle protein synthesis, building and repair. Why it brings strength back fast. Unlike slower proteins, whey delivers amino acids to your bloodstream almost immediately. This rapid influx provides a powerful, quick signal to your muscles to begin protein synthesis and repair, especially after a day of activity. For seniors, this immediate, potent signal helps overcome anabolic resistance, allowing your muscles to utilize the building blocks efficiently and start recovering faster. This swift action can lead to a quicker reduction in muscle fatigue and enhance perceived strength in a short time frame. It's like sending in a rapid response team to start rebuilding immediately. Number 2. The Joint and Muscle Calmer Turmeric Curcumin. Turmeric is a powerful spice that contains a potent active compound called curcumin. This compound is celebrated for its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Why it brings strength back fast. After 60, chronic inflammation is a silent enemy, constantly damaging muscle cells and contributing to joint pain and stiffness. This inflammation hinders recovery and makes muscles feel weaker and less responsive. Curcumin actively works to reduce this systemic inflammation, clearing the path for muscle repair and reducing discomfort in your joints. By significantly dampening inflammation, it allows your muscles to recover more effectively and reduces the perception of pain, which can lead to a rapid improvement in how your body feels and performs its daily tasks. Less pain and less inflammation means you can move more freely and feel stronger, almost immediately. How to implement this scoop strategy for rapid strength gains. Aim to consume a daily scoop, combining whey protein powder and a bioavailable turmeric curcumin supplement. This can be done in your morning routine, after a workout, or even before bed. Whey protein dose. Mix 20 to 30 grams of high-quality whey protein powder into water, milk, dairy or fortified plant-based, or a smoothie. Turmeric curcumin dose. Alongside your whey protein, take a high-quality curcumin supplement. Look for one with piperine or black pepper extract, as this significantly boosts curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%. Common dosages are 500 mg to 1,000 mg of curcumin. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. The key is consistency. Taking this scoop daily for just 7 nights provides your muscles with immediate, high-quality building blocks and simultaneously combats inflammation, creating a powerful synergistic effect that can lead to a noticeable improvement in how strong and recovered you feel. It jumpstarts your body's natural processes, allowing you to quickly experience enhanced functional strength. To recap, accepting declining strength after 60 isn't your only option. A powerful scoop, combining whey protein for rapid muscle rebuilding and turmeric curcumin for potent anti-inflammatory action can help you rapidly regain strength, with noticeable differences in just 7 nights. This strategy addresses both muscle repair and inflammation, helping you feel stronger, faster. Taking this one small step to incorporate this science-backed scoop into your daily routine could be the jumpstart your muscles need to feel stronger and more capable. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Share this video with a loved one who is over 60 and feeling their strength slip away, or is struggling with slow recovery. This simple strategy could be incredibly valuable for them. If you're ready to feel stronger in just 7 nights, what specific time of day will you commit to taking your strength scoop, whey protein plus turmeric curcumin? Share your plan in the comments below.